It is going on dark 30, so this video right now is probably fairly dark. Thought I'd come out and make a little quick vlog. It has rained quite a bit today. I was watching old Real McCoy's video a while ago, him and his wife sitting on the porch watching the rain come down. Y'all check his channel out. He likes to talk a lot, but they make some pretty good little videos of his sawmill work. I went to the dumpster today, made a dump run, and I want to show you something I scavenged out of the scrap iron bin. I took my truck because I had old barbecue grills and stuff I was throwing away. I threw a whole truck full of stuff away. I don't know why my GoPro up and shut down, but I snagged this thing out of the scrap bin today at the scrap recycling place right on top of the pile. I'm kicking myself in the tail for not taking them both. There was two of them laying there. This is some heavy steel tubing, and I'm thinking I can use it on my lighted work stand instead of that piece of conduit. It might be too long, too tall to be inside the garage, but I sure like the way it's constructed, and it's some really good metal. So I'm going to go in here and just kind of get a rough measurement. I might have to cut it off or shorten it, but this square piece of tubing is going to be perfect for putting my lights on, even if I have to cut it out of there. This is surprisingly heavy, but I came out here to get it out of the truck because it's going to rust and lay it out here in this rain. It is dark in here. Well, there's a switch here somewhere. Okay. I can see right now we're going to need some modifying on my little light bracket if I use that. By George, I can take that top piece off and just bolt it across there, maybe. Anyway, I hope to make some use of it. Put it right here where it can get dried off. I didn't get any more done on my engine disassembly today. See if I plug that thing in and give y'all just a little peek what's down inside there. I ain't got time to do a video today, but I thought about it today. I could have just let y'all get a look-see. I guess I could fudge a little bit and go ahead and pull this piece out. I'm going to put it exactly where it was. I'm assuming that's a timing mark right there. I didn't bring my glasses with me. All right, let's take a look down there. Oh, that don't lift. Something's got a hold of it. Well, I guess I'll have to wait on that. Here we go. It'll be simple enough to put back in the same place. All right, let's get a look-see down in there. Don't everybody crowd now. Piece of metal in right there. If you look real close right here, it's broke off right there. Must be the other end of this piece I see swiveled over here. There's a hunk of metal missing out of that. That's why it's binding when I tried to turn it. It's got to be a guide for that crankshaft around this collar right here. A duplanker, because I don't know the name of it. James might be able to salvage some parts out of this thing and sell them. He does sell stuff on eBay sometimes. Anybody want to buy a crankshaft? Slightly used? Anyway, I gave you a little peek down in there, and we can see that's broke off right there. I never found my slot key. Hopefully it's laying up under here somewhere, or it fell down in the motor. I don't think it fell in the motor. We'll just get some better looks at this stuff. I see the piston rod is still hooked up to the crankshaft. Well, whatever this bracket is right here that goes to this counterbalance duplanker, darn sure broke in a million pieces. There is 5 million tons. Let me get close. Look at my finger right here. Just piles and piles of metal fragments like sawdust. It is literally crawling with metal. You can see it on the end of that pencil eraser. Something got chewed all to snot in there. Anyhow, that's my little peekaboo into the motor today. I'll probably make a video of me installing my new metal rod for my light bracket. I'll never get around to that. Anyway, we're giving y'all just a little peek in here. There was a lot of slack in that piston rod, pusher rod. I guess that's because of the cam that I pulled out. Yeah. See, there's a cam that turns around to push this. Why would they make plastic gears? Put it back in the wrong place. Right there, it's the gear that I took it out of. It's back in timing. It'll never run again. But we're gonna possibly go ahead and completely disassemble it just to see how bad stuff got chewed up in there. Didn't get a whole lot done today as far as videoing. We got here tomorrow maybe and do some stuff. I can see perfectly well out here with my eyes, but I know the camera's pretty well showing darkness. Look at them clouds up yonder. We in for some more rain.